and we are unveiling a new product. It is called Brick and Flame wood burning stove and brick oven, and I'm going to do a little demonstration of putting it together. This is the basic frame of it, and I've got all of these fire brick right here. So we're going to be using fire brick and my frame that I welded together, and you can see I bolted the legs on here. So there's 4 legs, and I'm going to assemble the stove on this rolling cart. That way I can roll it outside and do a test run. So the first thing we're going to do is get all these bricks laid in here. Now the design of this wood stove is to be used with fire brick. So this fire brick is 9 inches by 4.5 and 2 1/4 inches thick. I'm just going to lay all this in here. This is the actual floor, or the bottom of the wood stove, and this will be the floor of the firebox, or the floor. And what I've got here is some fireplace mortar, and we are going to fill that. We're going to fill that middle joint with fireplace mortar. Like so. Two more here. More in the middle. Like that. And 2 more on the side. So this is your pattern for the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 rows makes it 12 bricks on the back. I'm going to mortar this in, and then we'll start building the sides. The sides are only going to be 1 brick thick. We'll go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 more. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and mortar these in. I'm going to do the back, the 2 sides, and then we'll put on the door, the top. We're about halfway done. Doesn't take too much mortar. Just a little bit. A little more there. Just stick it in here. Getting a little little bit of excess, you can fill in some of these cracks. It's not too critical. Just about down here with the So this front corner right here, you want to make sure it's flush here and on the two sides so that the door frame will fit in between the opening here. 2 more bricks. I'm not going to answer that phone. Last one. All right, we've got the base, we've got the back, and we've got the 2 sides all mortared in. So then the next step, we're going to lay bricks on the top. Fill in all these holes. Let it dry. And then we're going to fire it up. See how it works. This is the prototype design of the brick and flame wood burning stove. And you can see this is the air control and the door. Load the wood in, light the fire. This allows air for combustion. We've got just a piece of pipe. Just got about 4 feet of pipe on there. And like I said before, I've got the stove on this cart on wheels. We're going to roll it outside, fire it up, and see how it works. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Energy with the prototype brick and flame wood burning stove